To be effective in today's modern data center, you'll need storage infrastructure with operational simplicity, a modern architecture, and flexible cloud options. Storage solutions that deliver on these essentials and more are critical to help businesses achieve digital transformation. Requirements to boost productivity in the shortest possible time frame are continually evolving. This is how you handle it. Dell EMC Unity XT is no-compromise mid-range storage. It's based on a unified and dual-active design with renowned simplicity that makes your life easier, with the best performance and efficiency for applications and built-in cloud.
The installation of the Dell EMC Unity array was seamless.
It's very, very easy.
It's easy to set up and provides the service right away.
25 minutes to operational productivity and ready-to-run applications. Inline data reduction and unified data services simultaneously, without compromise. There's a reason over 14,000 global customers choose Dell EMC Unity storage solutions.
Every workload that we put on it, regardless if it was a Tier 1, very high performance.
It was very easy and straightforward. It was a turnkey solution.
Dell EMC Unity XT is simple to install, set up, and manage, on-premise or in the cloud, using the same management interface. First, place your order. Next, configure quickly. Now experience Unity XT's simplified and intuitive management with VMware integration. Complete virtualization integrations and an online help desk set the standard for simplicity. Here's how. Select your host, name the LUN, and set the capacity. Select data reductions, then check your selections. It's easy to configure VMware. Just discover and select your VMware hosts. Register VASA and check your selections. Done. To make managing storage health even easier, Cloud IQ offers visibility into your storage environment from anywhere. You can log in to view all your systems from your favorite browser, even from your mobile device, without having to install anything else. Dell EMC Unity XT's unified architecture lets you easily consolidate block and file storage and manage it all simply. The result? You get to productivity faster. Isn't it time to stop compromising?